Mastering spaces and subspaces in Drogo. Ever felt like your digital workspace resembles a never-ending to-do list avalanche? Well, fret no more. Drogo is here to be your hero, and the key to unlocking its organizational superpowers lies in mastering spaces and subspaces. Imagine spaces as your shiny new filing cabinet. Each space can hold a specific project, department, or even a fun team-building activity. But what if your project has multiple moving parts? Enter Subspaces, the superhero sidekick to your spaces. And here's how to unleash your inner organizational extraordinaire. Step 1. Naming your space. Think of your space name as the giant label of your filing cabinet. Make it clear, concise, and something that sparks recognition. Is it a client's project? Maybe it's a brainstorming session for a new marketing campaign. It could be campaign brainstorm, out-of-the-box thinking. Would be perfect. So here, click the plus icon on the left-hand menu and select Create Space. And here comes the fun part, naming your space. Here's a tip for you. Emojis are your friends. So an emoji for a celebration space or an emoji for a construction project space can add a touch of personality and make it easier to visually identify your spaces. Step 2. Subspace shenanigans. Let's say your project sunshine space is getting a bit clustered. Subspaces are here to save the day. Once you are inside your space, click the plus icon again and select Create Subspace. Now you can create subspaces for specific tasks within the project like design mockups, development phase, or client communication. Now here are some subspace superpowers. Organization. Drogo Subspace keeps things tidy and categorize tasks efficiently. 2. Focus. Assign a specific owner to each subspace for clear accountability. Collaboration. Facilitate discussions and file sharing specific to each subspace task. How to set and manage parent goals. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by that long list of to-dos? We all have ambitious dreams, but sometimes translating those desires into actionable steps feels impossible. Well, fret no more. Drogo is here to be your secret weapon, transforming those hazy goals into a roadmap for success. In this course, we will dive deep into the world of parent goals within Drogo. Consider parent goals the captains for your project ship, guiding your team towards that sweet taste of victory. Step 1. Defining SMART goals. Before we set sail, let's ensure our goals are SMART. This stands for 1. Specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? Avoid vague statements like improve sales. Instead, aim for increased quarterly sales by 15%. 2. Measurable. How will you know you've reached your goal? Define metrics to track progress. Can you quantify it with numbers, percentages, or milestones? 3. Attainable. Be ambitious, but stay realistic. Consider your resources, timeframes, and potential roadblocks. 4. Relevant. Does this goal align with your overall project objectives? Ensure it contributes to the bigger picture. 5. Time-bound. Set a deadline. A looming deadline lights a fire under our ears and keeps us accountable. Step 2. Creating parent goals in action. Once you have your SMART goals defined, it's time to leverage the power of Drogo. Here's a quick walkthrough. 1. Log into your Drogo account and navigate to the Goals section. 2. Click the Create Goal button. 3. Give your goal a clear and concise title that reflects your desired outcome. 4. Here comes the SMART magic. Fill in the details for specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant. 5. Don't forget the deadline. Set a realistic and achievable time frame for reaching your goal. 6. Hit that create button and watch your parent goal come to life in Drogo. Congratulations, you've successfully created your first parent goal. Step 3. Keeping your goals on track. Drogo doesn't just let your goals sit there gathering dust. It empowers you to manage them actively. Here is how. 1. Track progress. Monitor your progress towards your goal. Drogo offers visual tools to keep you motivated and ensure you are on the right track. 2. Break it down. Large goals can feel daunting. Use Drogo's subtask feature to break down your parents' goal into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the process feel less overwhelming and keeps you focused. 3. Adjust as needed. The road to success rarely goes exactly according to plan. If circumstances change, Drogo allows you to edit your goals and deadlines with ease. Remember, Drogo is your partner in achieving your goals. Think of it as your personal cheerleader, holding you accountable and providing the tools you need to succeed. Here's a bonus tip. Share your parents' goals with your team. Transparency and collaboration are key ingredients for project success. Drogo facilitates communication, allowing everyone to stay informed and work together towards achieving the common goal. So, are you ready to turn those dreams into reality? Set sail with Drogo and let's make it happen.